Welcome to Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Honda has finally revealed the specifications for the highly anticipated 2023 Civic Type R in North America with the new hot hatch, making 9 more horsepower than the outgoing model. Powered by an improved version of Honda's K20C1 turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine, the new model will make 315 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 310 pound-feet of torque between 2,600 and 4,000 RPM. That's an improvement of 15 pound-feet over the outgoing model regardless of location, but not an improvement in horsepower over the outgoing European spec Type R, which made 316 horsepower. Regardless, the 2023 Civic Type R is the most powerful factory vehicle Honda has ever offered American customers. Honda says it has worked to make the turbocharger generate pressure over a wider rev range by altering the size, shape, and number of turbine blades within it. Increased air intake flow, meanwhile, and a more efficient exhaust system with active valves all contribute to making this engine more usable. Larger grille openings, a bigger radiator, and a new large-diameter fan help make it usable for longer, as they ensure sustained, optimal performance during high-performance driving. The 6-speed manual transmission has also been improved to better connect the driver with the car. A light flywheel and a revised rev-matching system help ensure perfect downshifts, which in turn helps the car maintain stability on corner entry. A high-rigidity lever and an optimized shift gate pattern, on the other hand, make changes feel more satisfying in the hand, and a helical limited slip differential helps get power to the ground more effectively. Because it's based on the 11th generation Civic hatchback, it now has a 1.4-inch longer wheelbase for a smoother ride and greater stability. The wheels now sit farther apart too, with the front track extending by 1 inch, and the rear expanding by 0.75 inches over the 10th generation Civic Type R. Together with the retuned dual-axis strut front and multi-link rear suspensions, the new model has greater straight-line stability and steering feel. Finally, the brakes calipers have been converted to 2-piece units to reduce unsprung mass. Brake cooling has been improved for longer-lasting performance, and the brake booster has been retuned to improve feel and controllability. The body is now 0.8 inches longer, 0.5 inches lower, and 0.6 inches wider than the outgoing model, thanks to flared fenders. They stretch out over 19-inch matte black alloy wheels that are wrapped in bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires that are 0.7 inches wider than the last generation models. The wheel also uses a reverse rim to improve tire stability and the tire patch under load. At launch, American customers will have the option of one of 5 colors for the 2023 model. They are a Type R exclusive championship white, rally red, boost blue, crystal black pearl, and sonic gray pearl. Inside, the new model gets red sport seats, carpet, and trim, as well as an aluminum shift knob and a serialized Type R plaque on the dash. That seat allows the driver to sit lower down than before, thanks to thinner pillars, relocated side mirrors, and a lower hood. The new digital instrument panel is designed to be as clean and easy to read as possible to deliver important information while you drive at high speed. It now features a Plus R mode that places racing-inspired rev indicator and gear position information at the top of the screen. The 9-inch infotainment screen, meanwhile, comes with an exclusive Honda Log R performance data logger, which helps monitor and record performance parameters in real time to improve your skill while you're driving on a closed course. The infotainment screen also comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, while the QI-compatible wireless charging and Bose Centerpoint premium sound system add a splash of luxury to this track-ready hot hatch. The new model will be built at Honda's Yorei plant in Japan, but the engine comes from its Anna engine plant in Sydney, Ohio. Pricing will be revealed closer to the vehicle's launch date this fall.